In our Trader Rundown with Joe Cusick of Money Block today, we're taking a look at what's happening in the market today. And boy, we had a jobs number today, but you say that's not really the biggest deal on the table for traders. Why not?
Well, for a plethora of reasons, but the two primary ones are we've already had disappointing economic data this week. You know, with the ISM and the claims data, they came out worse than what was expected. So when you continue to see that, even though we're having 5% unemployment, we're not seeing wage inflation. We're actually seeing that less people are just going out and trying to find work, which means that they drop off of that report. It's not the impact that report that it's been in the past.
Right, and we're past the Fed move, so
right.
It doesn't really matter as much to the market. When you said primary reasons, I thought you were going to say the primary.
Oh, well, the primaries too. I mean, hey, look, that's added some volatility to the markets. There are a lot of candidates that have risen up, Bernie and Cruz, that have just basically put people on edge.
The market doesn't like uncertainty.
No, it doesn't.
But you are taking a look at a stock that is tied to consumer spending in the hotel space. What is that stock and what do you see here?
Yeah, so I'm looking at Host Hotels. It's a resort group, and it's been a very interesting play because that space has just been really hit hard. It's firming up. As a matter of fact, this week, over the last couple of days, you've seen a little bit of a rally coming off of the lows. I saw a lot of call activity. Right, and typically when you see call activity, you're thinking bullish, which is often correct. What's interesting here is they're taking advantage of a lot of high implied volatility in this space, and specifically in this stock. There was some April activity in the calls, and it looks like they were selling the calls. In other words, they're taking advantage now. That's a few months out as far as expiration, but that's telling me that with this recent rise, they're not selling out of the stock, but they want to reduce their cost basis on the stock by selling out of the money options.
Good to have your Trader Talk on our show. Thank you, Joe.
You bet. Thanks.